So this is Smart Bin project. Here we will be having 16x2 LCD, ARUDINO Uno, push button and soil moisture sensor, servo motor, wet side ultrasonic sensor, dry side ultrasonic sensor, buzzer. You'll be having one micro USB cable. Okay, it's a type A cable, and another one is a micro USB cable for NODEMCU. Before turning on the application, you have to create the mobile phone hotspot, and the hotspot settings should be as shown in this video. That is the small letters. It should be project and project 1 2 3 4, and thereafter you have to turn on the NODEMCU. It will connect to your mobile phone hotspot Wi-Fi. You have to turn on hotspot as well as 4G network, and you'll be having one Android app of dustbin info, which will have the bin status and the time which it has updated. And thereafter you can turn on the ARUDINO Uno. So once you turn on the ARUDINO Uno, and the LCD will get the smart dustbin system, and thereafter it will calculate the data of wet and dry, and also make the servo motor to the 90 degrees position. So now you can see currently if there is no light, single light is available, then it is a dry status. Okay, as I am moving over the ultrasonic sensor, it is giving you the bin full status. Now let us first check the bin status including the app. Now I am closing the dry bin, so you can see dry bin full application here. Save it. Here the image also changes over the Android app. So we will get the alert like this, and whatever the we have kept the values in such a way that less than 30 it is full, 30 to around 160 it will be medium, and greater than 160 it is normal. Okay, so this is the application we have used. Same way I am closing the wet one. The wet status has to change to full. Now you can see wet status is full, and we're also getting wet full data as we are moving the hands over both the sensors to show the values. It is giving this thing. So this is one application of updating the data to the status. Now whenever there is dust or material, so we have to place this button. So if the wet is dry, then immediately the system will move to the dry side and displays on the LCD the dry material detected, and gets again to the back position. Same way if we keep any wet material, just I'm simulating by using the pot. You can keep any wet material there and press this button, then it moves to the wet side and comes to the position. You can see wet material detected over the app. So I'm again demonstrating. I'm just removing this pot adjustment. You can adjust the pot or else keep the wet material also. Now I'm just pressing the button. So whenever you button the press, if the dry material is detected, the motor moves towards the dry side. And same way, if you make the wet material, the motor moves to the wet side and displays on the LCD wet material detected. So in this way the application keeps on working and update the status over the Android app of the level of the dustbins used using ultrasonic distance calculation.